In this lecture, you're going to learn how to use Wireshark to intercept clear text passwords that are sent over the network. We're going to make a connection between our FTP client and our FTP server. When we make that connection, the password will be sent over the network in clear text. While this is going on, we'll set up Wireshark to capture all the network traffic that is being passed. The first thing we need to do is make sure that the network interface card, or NIC, on our Kali Linux VM is set to promiscuous mode. To do that, open the VirtualBox Manager and right-click on the Kali VM. Choose Settings and go to Network. Choose Adapter 2 since our host-only network is using Adapter 2, and choose Advanced. Under Promiscuous Mode, make sure you choose Allow All. Select OK. And now we're ready to begin the hack. So the first thing we want to do is start capturing all the packets that are being sent over the network in Kali Linux. Let's show the Kali Linux VM, and let's start Wireshark by clicking Applications in the top left corner, Sniffing and Spoofing, and Wireshark. Now we're presented with this error, and this is because we're running Wireshark as a super user. Now Wireshark doesn't like this and it thinks we should use an account with less privileges. However, we're not concerned with this, so we're just going to click OK and use the super user anyways. Now, we have Ethernet 0 and Ethernet 1. If you remember, Ethernet 0 is the NAT adapter. Ethernet 1 is the VirtualBox host only network adapter that our FTP server and FTP client are using. So we'll want to choose Ethernet 1. Let's click Ethernet 1. And then again, double click it. Now this starts a capture, so we can see it's capturing from Ethernet 1. Now we can see some DHCP traffic is coming through here, and we're just going to ignore that. And now what we want to do is initiate a connection between our FTP client and our FTP server. Once this connection goes through, we'll stop this capture and see if we can find the username and password that was sent over the network. So switching to the FTP client, we can see here it says FTP client 32-bit. Under FileZilla, I'm going to hit File, Site Manager, and I'm going to connect. Now I'm using the username admin and the password. You can't see the password here, but I know it's ITFleece, so that's what we're going to be looking for in Wireshark. So I'm going to click Connect. And now we can see that an insecure server does not support FTP over TLS. It says it's logged in and it's retrieved the directory listing. So if we hop over to our FTP server, we can see here where a connection was made. Admin connected, it grabbed the current directory, etc. So now what we want to do is go back to our Kali Linux VM and stop the Wireshark capture by clicking this red square that stands for Stop Capturing Packets. And we can see some of the FTP data here. So what we want to do is filter for FTP because we're not really concerned about all this traffic that's in here like the DHCP, etc. So let's just type in FTP and we'll only get the packets relating to the file transfer protocol. Press enter. Okay, so now we only see the FTP information. Now, scroll up to the top here. Okay, so we can see that where the TLS authentication is not allowed. And here we can see the username that was sent over the network. And it says admin, and then it's saying, okay, so what's the password for admin? And here it is. There's the password in clear text. So great job. You've captured a clear text password that was sent over the network. Now you might be asking, how is this useful? Well, if you can get access to someone's network, like you can plug in a network cable or you can hop on the Wi-Fi, you can crack the Wi-Fi password and get access, you can use Wireshark to capture clear text passwords or unencrypted passwords, or you can even capture encrypted passwords. You can capture all kinds of information over the network with Wireshark. Great job, and I will see you in the next one.